Hello everybody. We are here trying to put a little finishing touches on the inside of the camper. We are attaching the bed rug. It was in there for the last trip, but it was not attached to the ground as it was still a little funky from sitting in the wrap. But beforehand, we're going to install one of these, what are they? It's a tailgate tapered seal from ESI. I think I got the wrong one, as looks like it's built for the GMC that has the multi level bumper, whatever it's called, the multi-pro tailgate, sorry, and or the flex tailgate. So we're gonna see if this still works. I think it should. I think it just came with extra stuff. I'm trying to get my tailgate off right now. Doesn't seem to be going well, so maybe figuring this out as I go. But here we go. Step one of getting this floor finished up. Kind of a warm day out today, so it says to only do one adjustment if it's above 80. It's definitely above 80, so gotta get it right the first time. Should know. YouTube to the rescue. I got the tailgate popped off. As you see here, a bit of a weird trick that they do with the new trucks. It's not bad that they're fully attached here, where they used to be able to just pop right off. But now it kind of just sits there. I'm not taking it all off, so I don't need to unhook the camera. Just need to get to this section here, where I'm gonna wipe it down, and then we'll be back in business. Okay. Get that run right along the bottom there. Attach nicely. push that right in there. All right, we're all installed. Squishy on the edge there. The side. Let's see if she closes. Nice. I said to check for light. Looks like we've got a little light there. Let's see how that's getting through. Other than that, right along here, there was light. Yes, the corners. We'll figure that out. Alright, I put these on the wrong spot initially. I had them going right along the crease here. Kept finding light. Re-looked at the pictures, figured out they had it run right along this edge, which lines up nicely with that. So we're adjusted. Right in there. Boom. No light. No light. Oh. That took a while. The bedrug's out.
Just attaching these Velcro strips to
See how this goes. There's some cutting I have to do to get some of the wiring fed through. And I think I want access to some of the hooks down there, but I may not cut those out quite yet, but I might actually have to. Now I look at it and it may not fit snug, but we'll see. Comes a little pre-cut little slots that you are to cut through. Little slot. Bedrug's come to its first tough spot, I'll say. We need to cut out the holes for the lights here, so we do want to keep those accessible, and the power outlet here. I was hoping it would look a little cleaner. It doesn't. I guess it's the way it is, but whatever, maybe we can tighten up with some more of the extra straps.
All right, she's in. Oh well, it's looking to hold, but she's in. Took me a bit to cut these out. Not the prettiest job. Now I know why Mainline forgot to do this. I would have forgotten too. Well, it's all done. Good chance I'm going to be tweaking some of the attachments when it gets used and stepped on and moved around and we start peeling things, but It's done for now.